Hello everyone and welcome to Healthy Living Has Changed Lives. I'm really glad you be joining me today. Many people have asked how a healthy lifestyle has transformed their daily routine, and we be all seen how important it has become. In this episode, we be explored the benefits of living well, and we be learned how small choices have made a big difference. Main content. Over the years, people have realized that good health has not just been about avoiding illness. It has also improved energy, mood, and confidence. Many individuals have changed their eating habits and have noticed amazing results. For example, some have included more fruits and vegetables in their meals, and they have left lighter and more active. Others have reduced sugar or processed foods, and they have experienced better digestion and less fatigue. We also seen how physical activity has played a key role. Some people have walked for at least 30 minutes a day and have reported better sleep and lower stress. Others have practiced stretching or light workouts at home and have gained flexibility and strength. Even simple routines have shown incredible benefits. One friend has said, I have exercised just 3 times a week and I have felt a big change in my energy. Mental health has also received attention. Many have practiced deep breathing or short meditation sessions, and they have noticed more peace and clarity. Some have limited the use of social media before bed and they have slept better. It has been clear that emotional care has supported physical health in many ways. Tips and recommendations. Here are some helpful tips that many people have followed successfully. They have started their day with a glass of water instead of sugar drinks. They have chosen fresh snacks like fruit or nuts instead of junk food. They have taken short breaks during work or study to stretch and relax. They have gone to bed at similar hours and have respected their resting time. They have spoken with supportive friends or family members when they have felt stressed. These small decisions have created long term habits, and many have said, I have never felt this balanced before. Closing and farewell. We discovered that living healthier has not required perfection, it has required consistency and intention. People around the world have changed small parts of their routine, and those changes have built stronger bodies and calmer minds. Thank you for listening to Healthy Living Has Changed Lives. I hope you will enjoy this reflection and examples. If this episode has inspired you, then you already taken the first step toward a better lifestyle. Until next time, take care of yourself and remember, even one healthy choice has had made a difference today. Goodbye.